start by understanding what defect rate means in the context of semiconductor wafers. Defect rate refers to the percentage of wafers that contain imperfections or faults during the manufacturing process. These defects can range from microscopic cracks to contamination or irregularities in the wafer structure. Since semiconductors are the backbone of modern electronics, even the smallest defect can impact performance, reliability, and yield. Manufacturers closely monitor defect rates to ensure quality and minimize losses. By keeping defect rates low, companies can produce more functional chips, reduce waste, and maintain high standards for their products. Now let's explore how these defects occur and why they matter so much. Semiconductor wafer defects can arise from various sources throughout the manufacturing process. Common causes include contamination from dust or chemicals, mechanical stress during handling, and errors in photolithography or etching steps. Sometimes defects are introduced during crystal growth or slicing, resulting in structural inconsistencies. Environmental factors like humidity and temperature also play a role. Each defect, whether it's a particle, scratch, or pattern mismatch, can compromise the wafer's functionality. Manufacturers use advanced inspection tools and cleanroom environments to reduce these risks. By identifying and controlling the sources of defects, they strive to keep defect rates as low as possible, ensuring the reliability of electronic devices. Defect rate in semiconductor wafers directly affects the yield and quality of electronic components. High defect rates mean more wafers are discarded, leading to increased production costs and lower efficiency. To combat this, manufacturers implement strict quality control measures, such as automated inspections, statistical process control, and continuous monitoring. These strategies help detect defects early and prevent faulty chips from reaching the market. By maintaining low defect rates, companies can deliver reliable products, support technological innovation, and stay competitive in the industry. In summary, understanding and controlling defect rates is crucial for the success of semiconductor manufacturing and the advancement of modern electronics.